Lisa was walking through the park with her boyfriend, Jake, when she noticed a stunning woman walking by. "That girl is so pretty," Lisa said, staring at the woman. "Not as pretty as my sister, but still, maybe she's a model." "Hey, I'm on a date with you," Jake replied, annoyed. "Come on, pay attention to me." Okay, I get it," Lisa laughed. She was 26 years old and worked at a company. She and Jake were engaged to be married soon. But sometimes, she felt a bit worried because Jake liked cute girls. "Why are you sulking?" Jake asked, noticing her silence. "I was just looking at someone else for a second." "You were ignoring me," Lisa pouted. "It made me jealous." "I only have eyes for you," Jake reassured her. "Let's enjoy our date." Lisa and Jake had been together since college. Jake could be a bit flirty, but Lisa knew he was also sincere and kind. That's why she agreed to marry him. When they got home, Lisa's older sister, Emily, was there. "Welcome back, Lisa," Emily greeted. "Did you have a nice date?" "Yeah, it was good. What are you doing here?" Lisa asked. "I live nearby, so I thought I'd stop by." "But listen to this, Matt. Did you fight with your husband again?" Lisa guessed. "Did he say you put too much sugar in the food?" "How did you know?" Emily sighed. "He's always like that. I married a good man, but all he does is complain." "Because he loves you," Lisa said. "And you're always being so bossy." "I know, right? Sometimes I wish I had someone like Jake. He always listens to you. Do you want to swap husbands?" Lisa teased. "You're already married." I know, I'm just joking," Emily replied. Emily was beautiful and popular. She had married a successful man, Matt, who worked at a big company. But she was always complaining, which sometimes annoyed Lisa. And the fact that Emily and Jake got along so well made Lisa even more anxious. But she loved them both dearly and trusted they wouldn't betray her. "Congratulations on your wedding," Matt said, smiling at Lisa and Jake. "You two look perfect together." "Thank you, Matt," Jake replied. "I'll make her happy." The wedding ceremony had ended, and the reception was in full swing. Lisa felt so happy and blessed. But then, something terrible happened. "Emily looks more like the bride than Lisa does," Jake said, laughing. "She's so beautiful." "Jake, don't compare us like that," Emily giggled. "You two should just get married," Lisa snapped, feeling a surge of anger. "Lisa, calm down," Jake said. "It's just a joke." "You're always saying how beautiful my sister is," Lisa said, tears in her eyes. "What about me?" "Come on, Lisa, you know I love you," Jake tried to soothe her. "Let's enjoy our wedding." Lisa tried to shake off her jealousy, but it was hard when Jake kept complimenting Emily. She knew it was just a joke, but it hurt all the same. During the reception, it was time for Lisa to give a speech. "Mom, Dad, thank you for everything," Lisa began, her voice trembling. "But I cannot be happy. I am breaking off the engagement with Jake." "What are you saying, Lisa?" Jake exclaimed, shocked. Lisa had planned this moment. She signaled the staff, and a video began to play on the big screen. It showed Jake and Emily entering a hotel together, holding hands, walking around town, and even Emily resting her head on Jake's shoulder at a bar. "Jake and Emily have been having an affair," Lisa declared. "I can't marry someone like him." "What's going on?" Matt shouted, looking at Emily. "It's not what it looks like," Emily stammered. "I can explain." "How can you explain this?" Lisa cried. "You betrayed me, both of you." Matt turned to Jake. "You were cheating with your fiancé's sister? How could you?" "Please, let me explain," Jake begged. "There's more to it, but the evidence was clear." Everyone was horrified and angry. Matt's parents scolded Jake, and Lisa's family confronted Emily. "Emily, how could you do this?" their parents asked, disappointed. "We raised you better than this." "I was jealous of Lisa," Emily admitted, crying. "She always seemed so perfect. I wanted to take something from her." "That's no excuse," their father said sternly. "You've shamed us all." Jake and Emily's actions had consequences. Lisa's parents demanded that Jake pay for the wedding costs and give Lisa compensation. Matt decided to divorce Emily. "I'm sorry, Emily," Matt said, "but I can't stay married to someone who cheated." "Please, don't leave me," Emily begged. "I'll change, I promise." "It's too late," Matt replied. "You hurt too many people." Jake was forced to find a new job because of the scandal. His co-workers and bosses knew about his affair, and it was hard to work there anymore. "This month, I only have $300 left," Jake muttered to himself. "How am I going to survive?" He started working multiple part-time jobs to pay for the damages. Emily moved to a new city, hoping to start over, but found it hard to get a decent job. Eventually, she ended up working at a bar, but even there, her past caught up with her, and she struggled to make ends meet. Lisa decided to focus on herself. She indulged in small pleasures, buying clothes and sweets to cheer herself up. She refused to let the betrayal keep her down forever. She believed that someday she would find someone who truly valued her. As Lisa walked through the park again, she smiled, knowing that she deserved better. She was determined to find happiness, with or without a partner. Lisa's story reminded her that sometimes the people closest to us can cause the most pain, but they can also teach us the most important lessons about strength and self-worth.